Adjournment request, if any, from item number 1 to 5.
Yes.
I'd like to mention item 1, Lordship.
One.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
So some accommodation may be given, Lordship, after 2 weeks. Lordship.
You're on behalf of the appellant.
Yes, Lord.
As prayed for on behalf of the appellant, pre-notify. Up to give a date.
Obliged.
10-9.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 2 and 3. My lord.
Yes.
My lord, in both the cases, we have filed our additional affidavit yesterday. I have checked it up, my lord. It has not been tagged on record. My lord.
Put it on record tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Friday.
Monday.
One. My lord,
When? Give us the date.
but they have also filed an affidavit yesterday.
That's right. When do you want this matter to be listed? Yeah, Mr. Saikya is here. Yes, Mr. Saikya, not to rush. I'm here.
No, lordship.
Mr. Bhuya wants time. Not
No.
time. His affidavit has not been tagged with the records.
Even my one was also
So
not.
therefore, he's asking for a consensus date.
Monday, lordship.
Monday.
Monday.
All right. Monday, the court could be perhaps
Let it
at
be
11:30. Then do we keep it on Tuesday?
No difficulty.
My lord, interim order may kindly continue.
Uh,
Except the appellants, everybody has left the
My lord, the
place.
JCBs and
also,
all that.
we'll extend it for the appellants till Monday.
No difficulty, lord.
All right. As jointly prayed for, re-notify on Tuesday.
19-9.
The interim order in respect to the appellant shall continue.
19 September.
Obliged.
Lordship,
19 August.
lordship,
19
August, I
Sorry,
have some difficulty. Put it on 18th, lordship.
18th, the difficulty is the court will begin late. I'll be coming back
Begin at 12:30.
11:30.
No problem, lordship.
All right, 18th.
18th.
All right.
Deeply obliged.
18th of
Okay. 18th.
Yes, my lord.
Obliged.
I am praying for listing a petition, my lord. This matter, my lord.
listing after some time.
Let all these adjournment motions be made, thereafter make a matter. Yes.
From item number 6 to 11, adjournment request.
Madam, may I, with your lordship, my lord? Item number 6, my lord, I received my lord written information from advocate of Arunachal Pradesh. He has got some personal problem. They are also not in a position to,
What do you want?
my lord, file affidavit. So he made a request, since he didn't get the, my lord, link. So kindly make a prayer before the court. Accordingly, I have given my consent.
Who is appearing online?
Mr. Kato, sir, please be online.
Want an adjournment.
As prayed for on behalf of the petitioner, re-notify on 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
3 weeks. They are supposed to file affidavit.
All right, 3 weeks.
16-9.
Obliged.
Wait, please, your lordship. With an apology, my lord, item number 10, we circulated notice. Could it be some other date, my lord? Convenient to my colleague.
On 22nd August. So they are enjoying the interim order.
As jointly prayed for, re-notify this matter on 22nd of August.
The interim protection to continue till then. I'm
If we have not vacated it, it continues.
deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Yes.
May this is your lordship, lord. Respect
9.
item number 9.
Yes.
Highly
You
obliged.
circulated this letter.
Yes,
As prayed for, re-notify 3 weeks.
lordship, there is an interim order.
That continues.
Highly obliged.
Then 3 weeks would be too long a time. 2 weeks then.
Much.
Give it.
11-9.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in respect of item number 4, my lord. My lord, just, my lord, I have given the responsibility for the respondent number 4, my lord. So, my lord, may I pray for at least 2 weeks time, my lord? I have taken consent. Respondent number 6, my lord, I have taken
On
consent.
the last occasion, lordship, they were supposed to file their affidavit, lordship, but now they've changed their counsel.
So I can only adjourn the matter, pass it over for today.
Lordship.
It comes on Monday.
Okay, my lord, affidavit is required, my lord. Okay.
As
If
prayed for,
I can pray only with that.
as prayed for by Mr. Puya, who appears for respond number 4 as well.
My six, my lord.
No, he says the respond number
Oh.
4 also is given.
Six, only six.
Only six.
Who
Gulzar.
appears for respond number 6.
Gulzar, my lord.
Let this matter come up for consideration on Tuesday.
19.
19.
19.
Note.
Obliged.
Any other request?
Yes,
But I'm praying for listing this petition.
louder.
I'm praying for listing this petition for motion, Malat. By this petition, Malat, I'm challenging the provision of recruitment for the post of principal in high secondary school.
I can't hear you. You have to speak in the mic.
Malat, by filing this petition.
Yes.
The petitioners are challenging the provision of Rule 12 of Assam Secondary Education Professional Service Rule.
Why? What is the problem?
The problem is that Malat, they are working since Malat 94 and all. Malat, the authority is
It's
counting
next week before division, but challenge the rule.
and
Then put that, let it be listed.
There are some other matters challenging the same rule.
Are you aware of it?
no, man.
Find out and then tell us. We'll have it tied up or listed along with those matters.
On Mr. A.R. Bhuya was the counsel and Mr. K.H. Gopi.
Find out, Mr.
Fine.
Counsel, you should not have that deadpan expression on your face. We have told you same matters have been listed there.
My lord.
So find out, mention tomorrow or on Monday, we will have it fixed on that day.
My lord.
All right?
Made with the lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention one matter for listing it. This is in condonation application, lordship.
This is what?
Condonation application,
Condonation.
lordship. Government filed this appeal and I am for the response.
Yes.
Obliged.
Next.
Daily list for hearing item 5.
Lordship, kindly pass over for the time being.
Who appears in this matter?
My senior, Mr. H.K. Das. For some time.
After 2 or 3 days.
Item number 7.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. My lord, earlier I have taken time, my lord. On this petition, my lord, pertaining to my lord, I have challenged the regulation by electricity, APDSL, my lord, whereby only granted 4 lakh compensation, my lord. That 4 lakhs is, my lord, inadequate, my lord, and it is not a just compensation, my lord. And
Can you tell us what is this compensation amount with respect to electricity supply companies pan India?
my lord,
As far as I'm concerned, I have known it to be 4 lakhs, under special circumstances 6 lakhs, when there is no contributory negligence. But then if we could give that, we can ask the government to consider, we can ask the company, the supplying company to consider. Otherwise, this is in their domain. Everywhere it is 4 lakhs. I think there is some uniformity there. Mr. Saikia, though it does not concern you, but we'll be seeking your assistance in the matter.
Lordship.
The Assam Power Distribution Company Limited, they have their own way of making compensation to the victim of electrical accident.
Lordship.
It is governed by Electrical Accidents Regulation of 2019.
Lord.
The concern of this petitioner is that it is too less. The amount is 4 lakhs. So I've asked him to tell us what is the amount of compensation in the country, in different states, different supply companies. Bihar, it is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs is less. There can be no quantification of life.
Absolutely, Lord.
But then other aspects also have to be gone into, and we can't possibly direct the state
Yes.
or perhaps the company which is owned by the state. It's a 100% owned company, no?
No.
Electricity. So therefore, we can't possibly ask. So if you show that in the entire country, 4 lakhs is the minimum amount, we can ask them to consider.
no, my lord, I have challenged, they have already made it 4 lakh.
Prayer has already been, but
Their regulation, as per their regulation, 4 lakh.
therefore you challenge that regulation only.
Yes,
No?
yes.
So therefore, it all amounts to, assessment, reassessment of the correct compensation amount.
Yeah.
In respect of death. So you can always come up before this court and say that there is a general, all, one size
understood,
does not fit all.
I understand.
So it's for minor accidents also it is 4 lakh, for death also it is 4 lakh. Is it true?
Fine.
Let us see the regulation.
My lord, page 49, my lord, on the report. For the- Yes.
Likely to have
It's, my lord, page 68, my lord. The compensation payable for loss of human life as a result of an electrical accident, rupees 4 lakh per person.
Where is it?
Page 68, in my report.
30,000 for popular, keep goat, camel, horseback, 60,000 for half,
Loss of human life, first one.
4 lakh.
First one.
This quantum of compensation was fixed when? 2019.
19.
19. So we are in 2025.
Hmm.
Whether it needs a reassessment or view. So you tell us about the other states.
Yeah.
Just find out. It's not very difficult to find out such things.
I
You just go to Google, just
yes, my lord.
you can have that.
Yeah.
Then you can make out a thing. Take a. The petitioners have challenged the legality and the correctness / validity of the compensation methodology established by the Assam Power Distribution Company Limited, bracket APDCL, and the Assam Electricity Regulatory Commission, bracket AERC, whereby, under the Compensation to Victims of Electrical Accidents Regulation 2019, the concern of the petitioners is that the compensation amount provided for fatality resulting from electrical accidents is only 4 lakh, which was fixed sometimes in 2019. And it would require a reassessment with respect to the quantum of compensation. This court has requested the land council for the petitioner to find out pan-India the quantum of compensation in cases of fatalities arising out of electrical accidents. There cannot be any quantification of life, but if the compensation amount is too less compared to what is being offered in other parts of the country, this court might consider asking the company / government to give a relook at the quantum of compensation. Re-notify on 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
In 2017, it was 2.5 lakhs.
Yes,
In 19, it was made.
Very
Definitely a revision is.
I'll tell you why. I'm aware of it. Very recently, in a civil court compound, civil court is district court in
Lord.
Patna. It's a very congested place. We do so much for the high court and high court advocates, and we rarely think about district court. In Patna district court, there was a transformer beneath which 2 lawyers used to sit. That transformer leaked. And before this elderly advocate could be taken away, the liquid which trickled down on his body, he died. And then all the lawyers were up in arms. We wanted compensation again was 4 lakhs. So I called the Advocate General, I called the directors of the companies, I called finance commissioner. Then we could manage to get him paid rupees 6 lakh because he was physically disabled also. But then that time again there was a talk of putting it to revision. The quantum of compensation is less. There should be some kind of objectification, classification.
Just like the multiplayer system in the motor vehicle cases.
Yes, there should be something.
Whether you are the earning member or non-earning member.
The pan-India endorsement.
9 of September. Item 8.
Central government is the main.
Is that traffic challan?
Minor.
Mr. Mishra was appearing in the matter.
No, no, this is the other one.
This is the other one.
That matter has been segregated.
This is with regard to that upgradation of that system which you have see.
This is with regard to,
Upgradation of
your
the
voice
system.
is trailing off.
This is with regard to upgradation of the system
Huh.
where the pollution was not detected. And Lordship had directed by the last order, if I may just read out. The transport department does not intend to do so.
I think it's the same issue, no?
So
Same
they-
issue,
they
exactly
are-
the same.
In the other case, they have challenged the rules. Here, they
That's
want
right, on that ground itself.
yes,
They say that if online challan is given, during the pendency of the challan, when the challan is not discharged, it can be discharged only by the person making the payment. The payment could be questioned, the hoisting of the fine could be questioned
Yes.
with respect to the
Yes.
offense.
Yes.
So therefore, till such time, the rule does not provide for giving any online pollution certificate or renewal or anything.
no,
So that is causing problem to the vehicle owner.
Ah.
And therefore they like to have a change,
yes,
because the rules have been questioned in that, if I remember correctly, it's on this ground that there is a provision in the Motor Vehicles Act which would be rendered redundant because it provides for questioning such assessment,
yes.
right? And it doesn't provide any. And with this kind of mechanism, it becomes even more difficult. I think it's the same thing which we required to answer. I think, and we had asked one advocate,
Yes.
aware of
The mechanism followed by the court below.
Yeah.
Or the challenge.
did we ask you?
No, it was the state council and
Yes,
He-
have you followed, have you seen it? Can you make a flow chart of it? Can you make a flow chart for us to understand? Just do that. And when is the other matter listed?
uh,
18
Any idea?
18.
I think we would fix it on that date. only.
Yes. Otherwise, here also we have challenged the rules.
All right, so we'll hear it together.
Yes, yes.
Let this-
Temporarily, the problem is solved because we have updated the system. Now,
Okay.
yeah, in so far as the state of Assam, and that has been put back from 14th of.
Okay.
So temporarily their problem is solved, but the truth is that the technical possible.
So we will hear it. So in the meantime, can you just put it on
And
application,
it will do this.
as prayed for on behalf of the- Let this matter come up for consideration along with which what is the
And
case number?
46.
given?
46,
46.
On
20.
20.
18-9,
18.
18-9. Much obliged. Item number 11.
Yes,
Maybe this is a lot. I apologize, Lordship, but the learned senior counsel is engaged in another matter as we speak. So this is the last item, I'm praying for some time.
this is the last meeting. What is the pay for? So what does it pay? No way out. So we can wait for some time because we have kept one matter pending.
Okay.
Item number, I think, item number 5.
Very well, Lord.
All right, so we will, what we do is, I can appreciate, this is your last item. So if item number 5 is taken up, we'll be here for some more time.
Very well.
Then if your senior is here, they will hear him, otherwise we'll give you a day.
Very well.
All right,
Much.
so we pass it over for few cases. Anybody appearing in item number?
Item 5.
Lordship. I apologize, Lordship. My senior is on legs in port 10. Since today, Thursday, all the High Court matters are taken up in port 10. So a series of matters are there. Item 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, so we do one thing. Where has that gentleman gone?
Yeah.
So item 5, at the request, on the request of land council for the petitioner or appellant, whoever it takes up, because of the non-availability of the senior with address this spot. The matter is adjourned. We keep it on 20th. Both the matter. 19th, we have fixed many matters. 18th would be again a difficult day. 20.
Or
21st.
25.
Lordship, kindly some other day other than Thursday, Lordship.
Hmm?
Other than Thursday, Lordship. All the matters are fixed there, High Court matters.
Keep it till next month,
26th, Lordship.
26.
Much obliged.
11:25.
Much obliged, Lordship.